Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change folder style in Android. Let's start. I want to create a folder like this. First, open your browser. Then, go to LingoJam.com. Choose Fancy Text Generator. For example, I want to name my folder a store. So I type a store here. Then choose your font style. Select any font you like and copy it. Let's go back to home screen. After that, tap on your folder. Then tap on Previous Name. Select All and choose Paste. Great! In this step, we want to change our folder color. Tap on Color. Select More. Choose your favorite color. After that, select Done. As you can see, we changed the style of our folder without using any software. I hope you enjoy watching this video. We will be very happy if you subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video.